National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Parker County in north central Texas, eastern Wise County in north central Texas, Durbin County in north central Texas, Tarrant County in north central Texas, until 10 p.m. At 8:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Decatur to near Boise to 6 miles north of Weatherford, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage of the vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Grand Prairie, Carrollton, Frisco, Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, Lewis, Bedford, Grapevine, Haltom City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, The Colony, South Lake, Weatherford, and Watauga. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.